Carol, Tide detergent. You know, it's so sought after that some tri-state stores, as we reported in the past year, are now locking up their jugs of Tide. But other brands aren't nearly as good and cost less.
You just finished doing laundry. Your clothes smell amazing. Your towels feel soft. You fold everything neatly, put it away, and think, job done. But what if that fresh, clean smell isn't actually clean? What if the very detergent you've been trusting for years is quietly leaving chemical residue on the clothes that touch your skin every single day? While your bathroom rash, your kids' random eczema flare-ups, and those gym clothes that never quite stop smelling, what if those aren't coincidences? Here's what nobody at the Walmart or Loblaws detergent aisle is going to tell you. Not all detergents actually clean your clothes. Some of the most popular bottles sitting on Canadian shelves right now are, according to independent lab testing and ingredient analysis available to the public, performing significantly worse than their price tags suggest. And a few contain chemical compounds that European regulators have flagged, restricted, or banned outright. We looked into 7 of the most widely used detergent brands in Canada, and we found some uncomfortable truths. Stay to the end because we're also going to show you the 2 brands worth your money, and one of them you've probably never heard of. Let's get into it. Number 7, Gain Original. Let's start with the one that smells like a tropical resort and cleans like a polite suggestion. Gain is everywhere in Canada. It's bright, it's cheerful, and that scent, absolutely irresistible. But that's exactly the problem. That signature fragrance is doing some very heavy lifting to disguise what independent testing has consistently shown. Gain performs roughly 10% below top-tier detergents in actual stain removal, according to comparative lab testing reviewed at the time of making this video. Here's why that matters. When a detergent masks odors with fragrance instead of eliminating the bacteria causing them, your gym shirts might smell fine coming out of the dryer. The fragrance sits on top, the bacteria stays underneath. Now here's the part that gets interesting. Gain's formula, based on ingredient analysis, contains methylisothiazolinone, a preservative that the European Chemicals Agency has flagged as a significant contact allergen. The American Contact Dermatitis Society reportedly named it Allergen of the Year back in 2013. Canada has actually restricted this compound in leave-on cosmetics, yet it remains permitted in rinse-off cleaning products, meaning it can still legally sit in detergents touching your skin through your clothes every day. According to reports, dermatologists regularly identify laundry detergent, particularly fragranced formulas, among the top triggers for contact dermatitis in North America. Practical takeaway: if you or anyone in your home has unexplained skin irritation, Gain's fragrance cocktail and preservative load should be your first suspect. Number 6. Purex. Here's the budget pick that comes at a hidden cost. Purex is the affordable choice millions of Canadians reach for when times are tight. And look, we understand. But independent comparative testing, as at the time of making this video, placed Purex second to last in stain removal performance among widely available Canadian detergents. That's not budget-friendly, that's just paying to get your clothes wet. Purex also contains optical brighteners, synthetic chemicals that don't clean anything. What they do is coat your fabric fibers with a UV-reactive dye that makes clothes appear whiter and cleaner under light. Your brain registers bright equals clean. The bacteria, body oils, and residue, still there. It's essentially a visual trick built into the bottle. Here's the money twist. Because Purex cleans poorly, consumer reviews consistently note the need to rewash items or use significantly more product per load than the label suggests. Practical takeaway: if you're on a budget, there are better performing alternatives at a similar price point. Number 5. Arm & Hammer Clean Burst. This one trades on one of the most trusted names in household products. But trust and performance are 2 different things. Arm & Hammer has built its identity on baking soda. The problem: according to ingredient breakdowns reviewed, the actual baking soda content in their laundry detergent formulas represents a fraction of the total product. The rest is standard detergent chemistry, nothing special. More concerning, lab testing found that Arm & Hammer Clean Burst was identified as containing 1,4-dioxane above regulatory thresholds in testing conducted in the United States based on findings available as of this video. Health Canada's regulatory framework around it in consumer products remains less stringent than emerging US state-level standards. Additionally, Arm and Hammer liquid formulas are confirmed to contain optical brighteners, that same light trick coating we mentioned with Purex. Practical takeaway, the baking soda branding is largely marketing. Check for laureth or eth suffixes in the ingredients. Those are ethoxylated compounds and potential sources of 1,4-dioxane contamination. Number 4. Tide-free and gentle. Before we get into this one, fair warning. Number 1 on this list is going to surprise you. It's a brand millions of Canadians specifically buy because they think it's the safest option for their family. Stick around. Now, Tide-free and gentle, the bottle literally promises freedom from dyes and perfumes. It's the one doctors supposedly recommend. Parents buy it for their babies. People with eczema reach for it because they've been told it's gentle. Here's the uncomfortable truth. According to ingredient analysis and independent testing available as at the time of making this video, Tide-free and gentle contains sodium borate, also known as borax, a compound the European Chemicals Agency classifies as a reproductive toxicant. It also reportedly contains methylisothiazolinone and ethoxylated surfactants that may carry trace 1,4-dioxane contamination as a manufacturing byproduct. Practical takeaway. Free and gentle is a marketing category, not a safety certification. Reading the Smart Label ingredient list online before purchasing reveals significantly more than what the front of the bottle shows. Number 3. Sunlight. Sunlight has been a fixture in Canadian laundry rooms for generations. It's the classic choice, and that familiarity is doing a lot of the selling. But formulations change, and brand loyalty is a powerful thing that manufacturers quietly count on. Consumer reports and independent testing reviewed suggest Sunlight falls into the mid to lower tier of cleaning performance among Canadian market detergents, particularly on protein-based stains like sweat, blood, and food. Practical takeaway, nostalgia isn't a cleaning agent. If your colored clothes are looking tired and dull after repeated washes, your detergent may be the culprit, not your machine. Number 2. Ivory Snow. This one is aimed squarely at parents. Gentle enough for baby. That's the entire pitch. Here's the issue. Ivory Snow, based on ingredient analysis available, is confirmed to contain optical brighteners, the synthetic UV reactive coating that leaves chemical residue on fabric. Pediatric dermatologists, according to reports, note that poor rinsing detergents that leave residue on fabric can actually cause the skin irritation parents are trying to prevent. Practical takeaway, if you're buying a detergent specifically for infant or sensitive skin, the ingredient list, not the front label messaging, is what matters. Number 1. Dreft. And here it is, the one that will surprise you. Dreft is arguably the most trusted baby detergent brand sold in Canada. It has been for decades. New parents register for it, hospitals recommend it. It practically defines gentle, safe, baby-first laundry care in the North American market. According to independent ingredient analysis and testing documented, Dreft contains synthetic fragrance, alcohol ethoxylates, sodium borate, and has been flagged in US testing for 1,4-dioxane contamination, the same probable human carcinogen we discussed earlier. The detergent millions of parents specifically choose to protect their newborns from harsh chemicals is, according to the available evidence, carrying several of the very concerns they were trying to avoid. Practical takeaway, brand reputation is not ingredient safety. Dreft's marketing is powerful. Its formula is worth questioning. Alright, enough bad news. Here's what you should actually be using. Number 1. Persil Pro Clean, available at Canadian Tire, Amazon Canada, and most major retailers. Persil is a German-engineered formula with decades of European performance data behind it. In independent comparative testing reviewed, Persil Pro Clean ranked number 1 for stain removal among all widely available detergents in Canada, outperforming Tide by approximately 2% in lab tests. It works in cold water, which means real energy savings on your utility bill. Estimates suggest this alone can save Canadian households meaningful money annually simply by eliminating the need for hot cycles. Number 2. Attitude. A Canadian brand available at most health food retailers and online. For anyone with sensitive skin, Babies, or a preference for cleaner ingredient profiles, Attitude is a Quebec-based Canadian company whose laundry formulas are confirmed free of methyl-isothiazolinone, synthetic optical brighteners, and phosphates based on findings available. Here's the bottom line: nobody is going to walk into your laundry room and tell you what's actually in those bottles. These companies spend enormous amounts of money on branding, on nostalgia, on the word gentle printed in a soft font next to a picture of a baby. Currently, the brands discussed here are widely available in Canadian stores. Formulations can and do change. Always check the current ingredient list before purchasing. You now have the information, use it, drop a comment below. Which of these brands were you using? And if this opened your eyes, share it with someone who's still washing their baby's clothes in Dreft.